if you have downloaded the Threads app and you are thinking you are not able to use your camera on the Threads app, how can you post pictures and videos on the Threads app? Now, before you watch this video, let me let you know this, that on the Threads app, your quality of pictures still remains the same. They are almighty good, very very good and crispy. They don't drop down like WhatsApp, they don't drop down like Instagram. On Threads app, it's beautiful. You want to try it out, but unfortunately you cannot use the Thread app right now. This is 2023 and I'm recording the video July 2023. You cannot have a camera from the Threads app to take a picture directly like you could do on Facebook, like you could do on Instagram. On the Threads app, you have to do one thing. You have to have your folder, have your pictures or videos in the folder, then use it like I would do in this video. Let's watch it. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Threads app to upload pictures and videos. So like I mentioned earlier, you cannot access camera from Threads application. So let's go into the Threads app. You click on the Threads application, then you will see different posts of different people. You want to make your own post. So what you will do is you will first see the home button where it is highlighted already. Then you see the search. This is search. Then this is how to upload, where you upload. So if I want to upload anything like an image, so what I do is I click on the attachment link that is there, that pin that is there. I click on it and I look for the image that I want to upload. So I'm going to upload these two images, and let me look for another kind of image that I want to upload that's going to make sense better. So one thing about this is that even with this, you cannot use the folder from here. It is not available right now. So what you can only do is you have to scroll down and look for the picture you are looking for. So maybe in the future, Meta is going to give us that option where we can see our folders. But right now you cannot see folders. So what you can only see is the pictures arranged in your gallery. Even if you click on gallery, you can't find it. So that's why I have to scroll down and look for the pictures. I don't know if it's on iPhone, but on Android, that is the highest thing you can do. You have to go and look for it. So let's search down and look for the best of the picture that I want to post. So we are still going to do videos if you want to do video. So let's do these pictures first. So I can decide to pick this picture and use it. So let's pick a picture. We pick a picture, let's pick another picture with it and click on done. So you can add whatever you want to add to it. This is the name of my brand. I will say called 12 brand did this. Two leather bracelets and two complimentary beads. So then you make your post. So I can add to thread if I want, then add a video to it. So this is where you add your video. You can add your video by still clicking on the attachments and still go back to look for the video that works for what you're looking for, that you want to do. So let's look for a video. So this video is basically showing you how to post videos and how to post pictures on Threads. So I'm going to post this video. Click on OK. It's processing. Then I'll add gift a customized double-sided belt today. We'll run it for you. Give us a name. cut 12. So I'll put the price 15,000 naira. Okay, so then you can post, click on post. So automatically your video is muted unless you or your viewer click on the sound button, then they can have the sound come out. So I was actually looking for another video that I can use. So what I'm going to do is let me click on this and see if it is something I can change. So I'd like to change this video because I want to use a better video, the edited one. So let's look for the edited one. If we're able to find the edited one and use the edited one, it's better that way. So sometimes that is the good part and the bad part of not being able to select folders. If you're able to select folder, you'll be able to see what picture or video you are looking for without wasting a lot of time. Now we have to go back and be looking for the video because you have no access to folders, individual folders for you to see what you want. I think this is the edited one, so I click on it and click on done. So I have two videos now, the edited one and the unedited one. So it's even better for you to learn that this can happen. So you can add two videos like this. I will remove this and add this. So let's see what we have. So like I said, automatically your video is muted. So simple as ABC. So you click on post and you have your post running. So if you enjoyed this video and if it makes sense to you, if it's something you like to try, kindly subscribe to this channel.